All right, guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Today we are doing a 10-minute core workout. Some of you are going to be standing, some of you are going to be on the floor. We're getting started in 10 seconds. First exercise, elbow to knee, just one side. 45-second work intervals, 15-second rest intervals. You guys ready? And let's go. One side, pick a side. I don't care which one it is. Just give me one side. Bring the knee all the way up. Stay in control and stay with me. Elbow to knee, elbow to knee, or knee to elbow. Think about it that way, knee high up. Keep going, keep going. It's only a 10-minute workout, guys. Today we got this. Less than 10 seconds left. 3, 2, last one, and we relax for 15 seconds. Same exercise, other side. Nice and simple. Get going in a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Hold on, the other side. There we go. Perfect, keep it up. As I always say, my workouts are done in one take. I am working out with you. Keep it up, guys. Bring that leg, kick that leg all the way up. Come on. As high as you can go. About 15 seconds left. Keep it up. Next exercise, we're going to get down on the ground. We're going to do mountain climber. We're going to bring the knee to our elbows in the mountain climber position. Same thing, guys, just one side. Get down on the ground. We have a little less than 10 seconds left. Knee to elbow in 3, 2, plank position. Let's go. 1, one side only. 2, 3, 4. I don't know why I'm counting. Work those abs, work that core, work those obliques. One side only, guys. Keep it up. 25 seconds left. Ten seconds. Stay up here with me. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Stay right down here. Guess what? We're gonna be working the other side. Maybe I won't get messed up on this one. All right, we got about 5 seconds left, guys. So get ready in your plank positions and give me the opposite side. And let's go. Nice and control. Bring that knee all the way across your body towards that elbow. Also working your chest and your shoulders as we do this. We have about 20 seconds left, so more than halfway down with the interval. Keep it up. I'm feeling. 10 seconds. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1, and relax. I kind of took one off at the end over there. All right. Now we're going to elbow to knee, same as we started, but both sides. So we're alternating sides right now. 45 seconds. 3, 2, arms up, and let's go. 1, 2, 1, and 2. Keep it up. Stay with me. Less than 20 seconds left. You got it. Less than 10. Stay here. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Guess what? We're getting down on the ground. Mountain climber, alternating this time. No big mystery today as to what we're doing. All right, guys, 5 seconds. 3, 2, get in the position and go. Alternate. 1, 2, right, left, right, left. Keep going. Stay here. 20 seconds left. Stay with me. Don't be bashful. Stay here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Stay right down here on the ground, guys. We're gonna go. Extend all the way out. We're going hand to toe. Reach across. Single side only. That's what I want you to do. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Single side. Give myself a little more room. There we go. Stay up. Stay with me. 25 seconds left. So 20 seconds down. Get that leg all the way up. Reach for that foot. Nice. That's what I want to see. Good work, guys. Good work. Three, 2, 1. Relax. Guess what? We're doing the other side. What we got left here? Less than 10 seconds. Take a nice deep breath. Get ready, switch sides. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. Reach for that foot. Stay with me. 20 seconds left. We got a couple minutes left in this workout. We got this now. 10 seconds. Stay here. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Might as well stay relaxed, guys. Guess what? Now we're doing alternating sides. So both arms back, both feet ahead of us, in front of us. And we're just gonna reach alternating sides. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, down, 2, beautiful, down. Sit up towards that foot. Come on. Work that core. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds, guys. Keep it up. Three, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we have one exercise left. We're gonna do some jacks on the ground, mountain jacks. You guys ready? In position. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, out, and in. Just a few seconds left, guys. Few seconds left. We got this right now. $25 seconds left. $15. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I always take you through every workout every Monday and every Thursday. Thanks for joining me today for this 10-minute core mashup. I will see you guys during the next workout. Before you do, don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far. Leave a comment down below, good or bad. We can talk about it. And leave a big like. I'll see you guys during the next workout.